Hello guys, today we are going to unwrap our new Quadrocopter RC4 Sprint Max 2 5173T from T2M Racing Product, and it gives you really good and have a very good specifications. It have 2.4 gigahertz 4-way radio controlled quadrocopter equipped with the camera, allowing you to make HD recordings on micro SD card and real-time video feedback on smartphone. And it have 4 powerful engines, robust landing gear that protects the camera, and it have flexible rotors, traction removable, and 3D acrobatic figures, looping and flipping that easily achievable at the touch of a button on the transmit here. And the FPV, a very good function. The FPV is a real-time visualization system provided by the camera on a smartphone. You fly as if you were installed in the model. So guys, let's start unwrapping this product. So I'll show you how we have to install this and how it works. So let's go.